Welcome back to the channel, folks. I'm Marv. I'm 83 years old. I'm restoring a ranch out here in Arizona in the high desert, and we're recycling different things, trying to fix the place up. We got our water going, and today I'm going to restore something. I want you to come along and follow me. Come on along. And it's a kneeling bench. You're 83 like me. You need a little bit of help with getting up. This whole video is going to be about recycling a piece of junk that was going to go to the dump. It was going to go to the landfill, and I thought, that, well, what can I do with it? So I thought, well, I need a potting table to repot plants. So I thought, well, that's the best bet to use it for. And it'll be less going to the dump. So let's get with it. First of all, I WD-40 all of the bolts and everything holding this on, and took all the screws out of it. Maybe I'll make a wood barbecue out of it. It was an old gas grill, so I'll set this aside and maybe I'll find another project for it. Okay, this is the raw side of it. What I've done is I pre-painted the top, and I pre-painted the backboard and the fascia board. So first I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this upside down, and I'm going to put the fascia board on it. That worked out.
I mean, definitely this is what it's about. Sitting here watching these hummingbirds. Not even, I mean, getting a shot, yeah, but just relaxing, listening to them buzz, watching the hummingbirds feed, interact, make noises. Oh, there's a hooded oriole out here, thinks it's a hummingbird on my feeder. I have a pair of hooded orioles, male and a female. I'll show a shot of them.
Wide awake, all the memories are on replay.
With this little Rufus hummingbird, it's his territory. He thinks he owns the whole yard. There you go. No, I mean, just that. You see that?
Without you, and I don't know what to do.
That's what it's all about. All right, Marvin is out here working, crazy while I'm birding. Cool.
That was the worst part.
That was the worst part.
Okay. So that was the little tool holder space. There's a pair for scissors or scoops or anything that you want to put in there. You could make your own little niches if you want to. And this other thing is, I really lucked out and they had left an old pot on the ranch here. So this is what I'm going to use to hold the dirt when I... Okay, and so I have these little hooks that I'm putting under here. It's just a little thing that I brought back from Florida that I use continuously when I garden. This I got at Ollie's, and it serves as a seat when you get tired of, or you flip it over this way, and it's a kneeling bench. You're 83 like me, you need a little bit of help with getting up. So, also you could put the tools, your little gardening tools there, and then it folds up. Like so. Folds up very small, and I put 2 hooks on the potting bench, so whenever you get tired, you could sit down and, or when you're gardening, you have a little kneeler. The very last thing that I got is a couple brackets for the end. I had those in the garage from another project, just to give it a little bit of strength. And I'll finish it up later. But basically, this is what it is. It's a workable potting bench. Put your soil in there, your pots over here, and do your thing. This is the front of what it's going to look like when it's done. And it's totally portable. You could take it wherever you want to go. Your wheels right around. You could take it, put it in your kitchen if you want. But that's my idea of recycling something. It was going to go to the dump and take up a lot of space. I think it's going to take both of us bags of peat.
No, I think just one. Alright, so we got went to the nursery today, and we got 2 Texas Rangers, 2 longleaf silver eucalyptus, and 2 Don Juan rose bushes. And they gave us 2 pepper plants. Is that all you need?
I think so.
So We're gonna go plant these on the back area.
Hey, get here, person.
I gotta pull the wagon. Look at the beautiful green out there in the mountains. The oleander is really blooming. Whew. Gonna do a lot of work back here. A lot of landscaping, trimming, cleaning. I pulled all that. That's what came out of these things that I'm working on. Part of that came out of it, and part of it come from over there. We're not gonna pull it up there, are we? All right, so here's what we're working with. So we still got to clean up out here some more. Probably shouldn't be doing this till we finish that, but we want to plant our roses, and we got to patch all this and paint all out here. Yep. All right, let's get busy. There he comes with the wheelbarrow.
Leave that in there and just stain it up.
The grass or the?
Well, everything that's kind of good mulch.
Yeah. Probably good.
It smells.
Yeah.
Smells it.
We got 2 plants in the courtyard. I've already started putting rocks around it. Yeah. Cool. 2 Don Juan roses. Let's hope they survive. Do well, my little friends, and prosper. Go big. I'll build you a lattice right there in the corner. Huh?
Since you're one of the family.
Yeah, you're one of the family. So it says full sun, water regularly until established. Wire 6 no water them. Mature size 12 to 14 feet. That might be a problem. Woo! That'll be awesome. Scent strong rose. Cool. I think that's gonna be awesome. 2 beautiful roses out here. Yep. Alright, that's all we got for you. Our cleanup. Cleaning up these beds. I think they're gonna look awesome. We'll get them all redone. Get this place all repainted. The courtyard's gonna be decorated, cleaned up. Clean these posts. I think I'm gonna probably like Thompson's water seal them or something. We'll try to get some of that black off, or maybe just seal them and they'll kind of look glossy. That might look good. We're gonna have to work on that a little bit. Oh, we got a cool, like a jumping spider. Ooh, jumping spider. That's a new one. Never seen that one. I don't know what species that is. Alright, sorry. Just went crazy. Got this bed almost cleaned up. Clean all around here. Get this all clean. We're going to put rocks all out here. And gardens out here. Container gardens and different things with drip irrigation. Same thing over here. Probably going to do a wall all the way, a retaining wall all the way around. And leave that out there more wild. We'll see. Appreciate you coming along on the journey. It's always an adventure. We never know what we're gonna do out here. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next episode. Peace out. Marv's out here in the screened in room. We brought our barbecue out here so we could have our first barbecue pizza out here.
And there it is.
Ooh, that is nice. Pizza.
$4.25.
All right, let me get cleaned up. You ready for me?
Ready for you. Bring your drink, whatever your
All right.
poison is.
Okay. Beautiful evening.
It is.
Got a bunch cleaned up out there.